We have to find the coordinates of Q. So we assume that Q equal to x comma y. It is given that PQ is a horizontal line. So the y coordinate of P and Q will be the same. Also P lies on the y axis. So we assume that P equal to 0 comma y. Given that gradient of PR is 2 units, so we find the gradient of PR using this coordinates. Equate the two values of the gradient and solve for y. So y equal to 6 and the coordinate of Q becomes x comma 6. R is 8 comma 22. So we now find the gradient of QR. The given gradient of PR, that is M1 equal to 2. Given R is a right angle, so PR perpendicular to RQ. So product of the gradients will be -1. Substitute the values of M1 and M2 and solve for x.